Hi guys! Mabuhay! For today's video, meron na naman tayong panibagong edisyon ng unboxing. Samahan ninyo ako. Tara! Ayun guys, so meron nga tayo unbox today. Ayan, ito ay in-order natin mula sa ating isa sa mga paboritong shopping application ang TikTok Shop. Ayan, TikTok Shop, Bakenemen. Ayan, so naka-add na to sa ating TikTok account. Ayan, puntahan nyo po yung aking showcase. Ayan, yung aking TikTok account. Makikita nyo po sa showcase yung ating item na binili. Ayan, so ito siya guys. Medyo maganda yung packaging niya kasi naka-box siya guys. Ayan. So, tignan mo, di ba? Packaging pa lang talagang pangmalakasan na. Ayan. So, ito yung Dermo Republic. Ayan. Isa siyang niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Okay, so buksan natin. Ayan, so tingnan mo naka-sealed talaga siya, guys. So, sobrang saludo ko sa mga sellers na talagang pinapahalagahan nila yung packaging ng kanilang mga products and gusto nila talaga safe na makarating sa mga buyer yung kanilang products. Ayan, kaya ayan, kudos. Ayan, guys. So, bukod sa box, ayan, naka-papel. Ayan, yung item. Ito siya, guys. Tignan naman ninyo, di ba? Ayan. Ito siya, guys. Okay, guys. So, ito yung ayan, isa siyang serum. Ayan, kasi yung serum ay mas madaling ma-absorb ng ating skin. Ayan, lalong-lalo na. Ayan, bagay na bagay ito sa atin na medyo nagkakaedad na. Siyempre, kailangan maalaga na tayo sa ating skin. Ayan, so kailangan natin ng niacinamide. Nakakatulong to na matanggal yung mga blemishes. Ayan, yung mga dark spots. Ayan, nakakatulong siya para mag-clear or ang tawag dito, mag-fade yung mga dark spots. Ayan, so itong niacinamide serum, ito siya guys. So, pansinin ninyo. Ayan, syempre kailangan lahat ng mga products, mga beauty products na nilalagay natin sa ating skin, kailangan sinishake muna natin bago natin siya gamitin. And, ayan. So, magpapatak lang tayo ng konti. Kita ba? Ayan, guys. Then, lagay lang tayo dito. Ayan. Siyempre, dahil bago lang yung product, kailangan konti lang ilagay natin para makita natin kung may reaction ba sa ating balat. Ayan. Since na, lagi naman na akong gumagamit ng mga niacinamide serum. Ayan. So, sanay na yung ating balat. So, ito ay, syempre, tatry natin kung ano ba yung magiging effects niya sa atin after natin makagamit nito. So, yung ganito kalaking bote, ayan. So, 30 ml siya. So, good for 2 to 3 weeks. Ayan, depende sa gamit natin. Pero mas maganda kasi gumamit tayo ng niacinamide serum ng umaga at gabi. Ayan, usually umaga at gabi talaga ako. Syempre, pag umaga, pagkagising sa umaga, pagkatapos natin maghilamos, syempre kailangan natin mag-toner and then niacinamide. Sa umaga, naglalagay din tayo, syempre. Importante na meron tayong sunscreen. Ayan, SPF 60 and then sa gabi, after na, bago tayo matulog, syempre maghihilamos ulit tayo. And ito, naglalagay tayo ng niacinamide serum. So, malaking tulong to para mapanatiling maganda yung ating skin, lalong-lalo na nagkakaedad tayo. So pagdating natin ng 40, ayan, tingnan nyo naman yung skin natin, kailangan, ayan, matulungan din natin kasi hindi na nakaka-produce yung ating katawan ng mga, nung katulad ng mga bata pa tayo. So kailangan tulungan natin yung ating balat na mapaganda, yung mapanatili yung ating youthful skin. Okay? So magkano nga ba yung ganitong product? It costs 229 pesos. Ayan. So naka-sale siya. From 249 pesos, nakakuha tayo ng discount na 20 pesos plus nakakuha rin tayo ng shipping coupon ayan, na 36 pesos kaya free shipping na siya. Kaya ang total lang na binayaran natin is 229 pesos. Ayan, tapos may butal siya na 0 cents, ay 0.8 cents. Ayan, so may 8 cents siya. So kung titingnan natin, so 229 sa ganito kagandang product na makakatulong sa mapaganda yung ating skin. Ayan, so solve na solve siya. Ayan, sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta kay Mr. Su, ayan, maraming salamat po. Tayo ay road to 23K pa rin. Ayan, so sa lahat na nagpapakulay, nagpapalipad, ayan, nagpapamember, ayan, at nanonood sa lahat ng video ni Mr. Su, ayan, thank you so much. And I love you all. Bye-bye.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.